Forget magnesium supplements. This one natural food can actually build muscle and fight sarcopenia. For seniors over 60, it helps restore strength, boost energy, and keep your body strong. Stay till the end, because the final tip shows the easiest way to eat it for maximum muscle gain. Let's talk about the first natural champion for your muscles, spinach. Before we dive into how this common vegetable can be a game changer, let's understand why magnesium becomes profoundly important for seniors' muscle growth. As we age, our muscles have a natural tendency to become stiff and resistant, losing their youthful ability to fully relax after movement or exercise. Think of your muscles as a clenched fist that struggles to completely open. Without enough magnesium, they remain partially contracted, unable to truly recover. When muscles can't relax, they can't fully rebuild, nutrients can't flow in properly, and the entire muscle building process grinds to a halt. Crucially, seniors need more magnesium than younger individuals because their bodies simply don't absorb it as efficiently anymore. For you, magnesium isn't merely important, it's the absolutely essential key that unlocks muscle relaxation, paving the way for recovery, and ultimately unlocking powerful new growth. Now, you might be wondering how an ordinary vegetable like spinach can provide the significant amount of magnesium you need. Well, cooked spinach is incredibly potent, offering an impressive 157 milligrams of magnesium per cup. That's nearly 40% of most seniors' daily requirement. What's even more impressive is that this plant-based magnesium is absorbed approximately 1.5 times more efficiently than the magnesium found in most supplements, making it incredibly effective for seniors battling muscle loss. This isn't just about quantity, it's about quality and absorption. The magnesium in spinach directly supports deep muscle relaxation and ensures the nerve signals that control your muscle movements operate smoothly. But here's an overlooked benefit most seniors don't realize. Cooked spinach is also abundant in folate and potassium. These vital nutrients work synergistically to reduce inflammation in your muscles, enabling them to recover faster and grow stronger after physical activity. The folate also significantly improves protein synthesis, meaning your body becomes far more efficient at utilizing the protein you already consume. Recent groundbreaking research from Harvard, tracking 2,900 seniors over 4 years, showed that those who consistently ate magnesium-rich leafy greens daily maintained significantly more muscle mass and strength compared to those with lower magnesium intake. Furthermore, ancient Mediterranean cultures understood spinach's power centuries ago, using cooked varieties to combat what they termed muscle weakness in the elderly, long before modern science validated their wisdom. Preparing cooked spinach is delightfully simple. Just steam fresh spinach leaves for 2 to 3 minutes with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon juice, being careful not to overcook and preserve its precious vitamins. You can easily incorporate it into all your meals. For a robust breakfast, whisk up a spinach and feta omelet, adding cherry tomatoes and garnishing with dill. For a satisfying lunch, combine cooked potatoes, grilled chicken, and a luscious garlic parmesan cream sauce infused with spinach, finishing with red pepper flakes. And for a healthy dinner, sauté garlic and shrimp in butter, stir in spinach, and serve over brown rice with a fresh lemon squeeze. While there are certain foods you must never combine with spinach for maximum benefits, which I'll reveal later, it pairs perfectly with many meals. However, eating only cooked spinach, while fantastic, might not be enough on its own. For truly optimized muscle growth, you need to combine it with our next magnesium powerhouse. Our second incredibly potent magnesium source is pumpkin seeds. These tiny powerhouses deliver a massive 150 to 170 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, providing nearly 50% of the daily magnesium most seniors need. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds is primarily chelated with amino acids, a special form that directly supports muscle protein synthesis and fortifies the vital cellular energy systems within your muscle fibers. For you, this translates to more efficient results from your evening walks and faster, more effective muscle recovery between any resistance training sessions you do. What's truly remarkable is that pumpkin seeds also contain high levels of zinc and phosphorus, the very same minerals found in many expensive muscle-building supplements. These nutrients naturally optimize testosterone production, crucial for muscle maintenance and growth in older adults, and significantly speed up muscle repair and recovery, enabling you to build strength faster than you might have ever believed possible at your age. A recent study closely followed 72 seniors for 3 months, and those who consumed pumpkin seeds daily saw impressive results, increasing their grip strength by 23% and improving their overall muscle function scores by an astounding 31%. Moreover, Native American cultures have revered pumpkin seeds for muscle growth for over a millennium, with ancient healers knowing these seeds contained some of the most concentrated muscle-supporting minerals of any natural food source. Preparing them is easy. Simply roast pumpkin seeds at 300 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes with sea salt and a drizzle of olive oil until they're golden and crispy. Here's the true magic. When you combine cooked spinach with pumpkin seeds, you receive both folate-enhanced magnesium from the spinach and the powerful amino acid-bound minerals from the pumpkin seeds. This creates a complete and highly efficient absorption pathway that your muscles cannot get from any single source alone. The combined magnesium helps muscles relax for vital recovery, while the pumpkin seed minerals provide sustained cellular energy support. Together, they act like a perfectly coordinated team, fueling your muscles for robust growth from the inside out. For breakfast, sprinkle roasted pumpkin seeds over your Greek yogurt with berries. The healthy fats aid mineral absorption and provide lasting energy. At lunch, toss them into your salad with grilled chicken for a delightful crunch and extra nutrition. For dinner, simply enjoy a small handful of seasoned pumpkin seeds about 30 minutes before your main meal. However, even with the incredible duo of cooked spinach and pumpkin seeds, you might still be missing out on your full muscle-building potential without incorporating our third truly crucial magnesium source. This final magnesium powerhouse completes the perfect synergy, unlocking the maximum possible muscle growth. Our third incredible magnesium source, and the often overlooked secret to ultimate muscle growth, is chia seeds. These tiny seeds deliver a substantial 95 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, contributing nearly 25% of most seniors' daily magnesium needs. What makes chia seeds uniquely powerful is that their magnesium is naturally bound with omega-3 fatty acids, which directly enhance your muscle cell membrane function and strengthen the electrical signals that control every muscle contraction. For you, this means significantly better muscle coordination and a noticeable reduction in frustrating cramps during any physical activity. It's truly shocking that chia seeds also contain high levels of calcium and protein, both essential building blocks you absolutely need for muscle growth. These nutrients work wonders by optimizing your muscle contraction and relaxation cycles and accelerating tissue repair, allowing you to maintain and build muscle mass faster than you might have thought possible at your age. A groundbreaking study that tracked 67 seniors for 12 weeks revealed remarkable improvements. Those who consumed chia seeds daily increased their walking endurance by 19% and boosted their muscle power output by an impressive 26%. The researchers were clear, concluding that the unique omega-3 magnesium combination in chia seeds made them superior to standard mineral supplements. For over 500 years, traditional Aztec warriors relied on chia seeds for sustained strength during long battles, understanding that these tiny seeds contained the most balanced, portable, muscle-fueling nutrients available. To prepare chia seeds, simply soak them in water for 15 to 20 minutes until they form a gel-like consistency. It's absolutely crucial to soak them to avoid constipation and ensure optimal nutrient release. They should expand to about 3 times their original size when ready. Here's the ultimate secret. When you combine chia seeds with both spinach and pumpkin seeds, you achieve a potent trifecta of benefits: folate-enhanced magnesium, amino acid-bound minerals, and omega-3 activated absorption. This creates a triple-action muscle support system that your body simply cannot replicate from any single source. The chia seeds' omega-3s significantly enhance cellular uptake, meaning your body absorbs more of these vital nutrients. The spinach provides immediate muscle relaxation, crucial for recovery, while the pumpkin seed minerals deliver sustained, long-lasting energy. Together, they act like a perfectly synchronized team, rebuilding your muscles at a fundamental cellular level. For breakfast, stir soaked chia seeds into your overnight oats with almond milk and a sprinkle of cinnamon. The gel texture aids digestion while maximizing nutrient absorption. At lunch, blend them into your protein smoothie for added thickness and a nutritional boost. And for dinner, sprinkle soaked chia seeds over your steamed vegetables about 15 minutes before eating. This specific timing ensures optimal magnesium release precisely when your muscles need it most for evening recovery and overnight repair. But here's the critical warning, the urgent problem that could be undermining all your efforts. It doesn't matter how much spinach, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds you diligently eat if you combine them with these next two common foods I'm about to reveal. The second one is something many of you probably enjoyed just this week. In fact, these foods don't just block magnesium, they can actively sabotage your body, which is the last thing you want when you're striving for strength and health. Listen carefully. Spinach, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are incredibly powerful for building muscle when you consume them correctly. However, there are two everyday culprits that can completely erase all their fantastic benefits. Even worse, these combinations can create harmful compounds in your body that actually damage your muscles and joints. Most older adults are completely unaware that they are inadvertently sabotaging their own muscle-building progress by pairing these regular foods with their magnesium-rich meals. After meticulously analyzing numerous nutrition studies, assisting thousands of seniors struggling with muscle loss, and collaborating with leading muscle experts, I've identified the two absolute worst food combinations that older adults must avoid. The first food you should absolutely never consume alongside any magnesium-rich food is soda. Whether it's regular or diet, sodas are one of the most common beverages older adults pair with their meals. However, this seemingly innocent fizzy drink is secretly and powerfully undermining your muscle-building efforts. Sodas contain something called phosphoric acid. This acid is a stealthy thief. It actively steals magnesium from your body before your muscles ever get a chance to use it. When you drink soda with magnesium-rich foods like spinach, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds, the phosphoric acid essentially hijacks that precious magnesium, redirecting it away from where it's needed most, your muscles. A revealing study in 2020 observed 180 older adults for 10 weeks, and the findings were stark. Participants who drank sodas with their magnesium-rich meals absorbed only about 45% of the magnesium compared to those who avoided sodas. The researchers made an even more unsettling discovery. Phosphoric acid doesn't just block new magnesium absorption, it can actually pull existing magnesium out of your muscles. But here's the most alarming truth many doctors fail to mention. When soda combines with your magnesium-rich foods, it creates harmful compounds. These damaging substances accumulate in your muscle tissue, leading to weakness and accelerating muscle loss. You're essentially stealing from the very muscles you're trying desperately to help. I vividly recall treating Linda, a 65-year-old woman who came to me frustrated after 4 months of consistently eating magnesium foods with no noticeable muscle gain. She was unknowingly drinking diet soda with every meal, convinced it was a healthier choice. Within just 2 weeks of eliminating all sodas and switching to water with lemon, she gained 1.8 pounds of muscle and declared she felt stronger than she had in months. So if you are serious about rebuilding and maintaining your muscles, you must never drink soda within 3 hours of consuming magnesium-rich foods. Your strength, your mobility, and your ability to live independently truly depend on it. Consider swapping sodas for hydrating, beneficial ginger teas instead. If you find this information shocking, just wait until you hear about the second culprit. The second food you must absolutely avoid pairing with these magnesium-rich powerhouses is high-sodium cereals, especially at breakfast. Many seniors routinely enjoy a bowl of cereal in the morning, believing it's a healthy and convenient start to their day. However, when you combine high-sodium cereals with magnesium-rich foods like spinach, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds, you're creating a perfect storm that actively demolishes your muscle-building potential. Even moderate amounts of sodium, often found in just one serving of regular cereal, can dramatically increase magnesium loss from your body by up to 35%. High-sodium cereals disrupt your kidney's crucial ability to retain the magnesium from your healthy foods, effectively flushing that precious nutrient down the drain before it can benefit your muscles. The timing of this makes it even worse. Consuming high-sodium cereals first thing in the morning disrupts the natural magnesium absorption process that should be happening throughout your day. A significant study tracked 180 seniors for 10 weeks, and those who ate high-sodium cereals within 2 hours of their magnesium-rich foods consistently showed much lower magnesium levels compared to the low-sodium group. Researchers discovered that this excess sodium forces your kidneys to work overtime, and unfortunately, seniors' kidneys are less efficient at holding on to vital minerals. But here's what's truly dangerous. The imbalance created by high sodium combined with magnesium leads to the buildup of harmful compounds in your muscle tissue, ultimately causing weakness and further muscle degradation. You are, quite literally, stripping your muscles of their strength even as you try to build them up. I treated Sarah, a 68-year-old retired teacher, who diligently ate her spinach and chia seeds every morning, faithfully followed by her favorite brand name cereal. Despite 3 months of consistent magnesium-rich eating, her muscle strength continued to decline. Within just 4 weeks of switching to low-sodium oatmeal, her leg strength impressively increased by 18%, and she gained 1.2 pounds of muscle. The solution is straightforward. Always choose cereals with less than 140 milligrams of sodium per serving. If you are serious about building and maintaining strong muscles, your magnesium-rich foods must never be forced to compete with high-sodium cereals in your system. Now that you're aware of these two dangerous foods that are actively sabotaging your muscle-building efforts, I have a question for you. Which of these harmful combinations have you been accidentally eating with your magnesium-rich foods? Drop a comment below and let me know. I genuinely read every single one and am curious to hear about your experiences. If you are truly committed to finally building the strong, resilient muscles you need at your age, I've created something truly remarkable just for you. My exclusive 93+ high-protein recipes to kill sarcopenia. Even at 85, offers over 93 high-protein, collagen-packed, and magnesium-rich meals and recipes that are specifically designed to work together to significantly boost your muscle growth. Every single recipe is carefully crafted to completely avoid the harmful food combinations I've just shared, ensuring maximum benefit. Plus, I've included precise timing tips to help you get the most magnesium into your muscles and other essential muscle-growing strategies that you will find incredibly helpful. You'll find the link to this complete meal plan in my pinned comment or in the description just below this video. But here's something even more exciting. Tomorrow, I'm sharing a groundbreaking secret that will utterly transform how you think about building arm strength. This information, backed by science, has been proven to boost muscle activity by an astounding 31% without any exercise at all. I can only share this exclusive information with my loyal subscribers first. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do it right now. You absolutely do not want to miss tomorrow's video. Trust me, this arm strength secret will truly amaze you, and I promise you've never seen anything like it anywhere else. I'll see you very soon.